Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install ringtones on your iPhone from TikTok. Then the first step, then you can go to the TikTok app. Next step, you can find the music on TikTok. I'll install the music on TikTok now. Make my iPhone ringtone. For this step, click the arrow here. Then you click on the download. So I downloaded the TikTok video here. Next step, you get out. Then you go to the Safari app. In this step, click on the search box. UENTERCLOUDCONVERT.com. And then you click, put it on this website. In this step, click on Select File. Next, click on From My Computer. In this step, click on the photo library. Next step, you choose the video. And then you click on the V tick. It's up here. In the next step, click on Select Format. Then you enter the MP3. And then you click on the V tick here. In this step, click on MP3. Then you click Convert. Next step, click on Download. Download this music to your computer. Do you want to download? Download this step, you click on Download. So I downloaded this MP3 player to my computer. Next step, you get out. Then you go to the App Store. Next step, click on the search box. Then you find and download for yourself the application is. Here's an app like this. Logo app. It's got a keyboard icon. You click download the machine. Then I downloaded the GarageBand app back to the machine. Next step, you click open up. Welcome to GarageBand. For this step, click continue. GarageBand sound library, click continue. For this step, click allow here. Next step, you pull through. Go to the audio recorder and click on it. For this step, click allow. And then you turn off this triangular-like item. Then you click on the little +, sign here. Next step, click on Section A here. In the manual section, click on 30. Then you click on Done. Next step, you click on the 3 tiles here. Next step, you click on the circular icon. You click on it. In this step, click on the Files. Click Browse Items from the Files app. And here it shows the TikTok music I made earlier. Download here. Now you click on it. Wait a minute. Then it's added here. In this step, you click and hold on to the item. You move up. You hold it down, guys. And then you move up. You put it in here. Now you can click to listen. Next step, you click on the item here. The item has the triangle symbol upside down. Here is this entry. You can click on it. Then you click on My Songs. Then the next step is to hold on to My Songs. Then you click Share. Next step, you click on the ringtone. And now you can name it. I will put it Ringtone TikTok. Then I click Export. Click on Use Sound as here. Next, click on the standard ringtone. So I set the ringtone on my iPhone. Now you can try another phone. Then it will ring the ringtone I just installed from TikTok. I also showed you how. My video stops here. Thank you for watching. And useful, like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, bye bye.